petals soft and sweet, a flowery alphabet treat. A is for aster, purple and bright. B is for buttercup, shining with light. C is for carnation, pink and sweet. E is for daffodil, a sunny treat. E is for edelweiss, high on the hill. F is for foxglove, standing still. G is for gardenia, white and fair. H is for hyacinth, scent in the air. I is for iris, bold and blue. J is for jasmine with morning dew. K is for kingcup, gold and round. L is for lily, where peace is found. And this for Millie Gold. Now you've learned your ABC, with flowers blooming A to Z. Bright and pretty, every name. Learning's fun like a flower game. Sing it loud, sing it strong. Come back soon for another song. Bye-bye friends, we're done today. Let's bloom and learn the playful way. Flowers blooming in the sun, waking up, but what fun. Petals bright in every hue, red and yellow, pink and blue. Dancing gently in the breeze, swaying softly with the trees. Roses red and daisies white, tulips standing tall and bright. Sunflowers stretch to touch the sky, butterflies come fluttering by. Bees go buzz and stop to see, what a lovely place to be. Water, sunshine, soil and care help the flowers grow everywhere. Springtime brings the garden cheer, blooms appear year after year. Pick a flower, give a smile, nature makes the world worthwhile. So let's all do the flower dance, twirl and spin and skip and prance. Say hello to every bloom, flowers chase away the gloom.